Hi, this is Cheryl from Alaska, and I live on an island, and it's beautiful snow right now, and it's gorgeous out, and I just love the outdoors. I love to be able to photograph it and share it, and I'm actually going to be flying to Florida, so that's exciting. My heart is so full of joy. I will be flying from the very corners of Alaska all the way down to Florida to spend time down in the beautiful, wonderful, warm Florida, so it'll be quite a change. I'm excited, and I just I'm just so thankful, and just wanted to share that with you, that I will be doing more videos from Florida, so it'll be really cool. And be kind and uplifting to anyone you come in contact with. It is so good to speak words of life to people and to care, and I'm just thankful for my life and being able to go to Florida tomorrow. So I just want to do a quick video and say hey, and thanks for watching. Bye. See you in Florida.